Do you want to start affiliate marketing program to start making money online? But the bad news is many of affiliate programs don't approve new people. But now, I have top 9 affiliate programs that approve you immediately and pay you $100 per a sale, or they may give you $100 only when you refer new customers to sign up. So, here are the top 9 digital marketing programs that you should join, refer, and earn a commission. Let's start with the first program. Number 1 is Vultr. If you go to any web browser and search for Vultr, you will find this title showing in the results. Vultr Cloud Servers, claim your $100 credit. The question is how to sign up. Well, let's open the Vultr site and see how you can log in to get the referral link. Here is the Vultr site dashboard. You can add your email to sign up, or scroll down until you find referral program. Click in and sign up. As you can see, you can earn up to $100 referring customers. After you log in, click on Referral Program, and it will directly lead you to Referral Links page. The first option, you can refer customers to Vultr, and you will earn $10 per paid sign-ups. The second option, you give to new customers $100, and you get $35 in the return. It's a win-win strategy. Your referral link will be here. And here is the condition that you should read to know how Vultr pays you for referring customers. And here the referral analytics. The second program is DigitalOcean. DigitalOcean gives to new customers $200 to start and test for 60 days. It is similar to Vultr site. I will log in to my DigitalOcean dashboard and show you how much pays marketers. When you signed up, scroll down and click on Refer Friends to earn dollars. So, you will give $200 to new customers, and you will earn 25. Customers you refer must spend $25 to get paid. The third program is Fiverr. When you join Fiverr, you immediately can start earning up to $100 by inviting friends, and you both can earn. And the steps to earn commission through emailing, send emails, newsletters, or posting on social media with your affiliate link. Tell your audiences that they will get 10% of the first purchase gigs, and you also will get 10% of their first order amount, which reach up to $100. Make sure that you will earn up to $100 when your referrals make their first order. And, if you want to earn more and become a pro affiliate marketer, you can join up the pro affiliate programs. If you are interested to learn more about the Fiverr Pro Affiliate Marketing Program, I will put a video link below in description. The fourth digital program is Payoneer. Payoneer will give you $25 when you refer new customers. Inside of Payoneer dashboard, click below on Business Network, then you will find Refer a Friend option. And here is the Payoneer affiliate program, which gives you $25 only for referring. Make sure that your friends must receive $100 on their Payoneer account, then you both will earn $25. So, it's a win-win method to tell your friends about Payoneer. The fifth digital program is GetResponse. With GetResponse, you will be able to earn much money as in $100 per sale and as a recurring commission. GetResponse is one of the best emailing company in the world, and it's free signup.to build your contact and connect your domain name to get landing pages and website forms. And to earn money through GetResponse affiliate programs, just sign up and you will get the links immediately. The first option is to earn 33% recurring commission every month, or the second option to earn $100 per a sale. You can sign up for the both programs to win more money. The sixth program is Mailchimp. If you visit my website, you will get this sign-up newsletter pop up, and if someone put an email address, I will get new contact. I built this newsletter contact by Mailchimp for free to drive contact to my website. And Mailchimp also offers free version of signing up to start getting new contact to your business. And here is my Mailchimp dashboard, and you can see that I got 140 new contact to my website this week. I just used the free version. Inside of your dashboard, you are able to earn $30 as a commission per a sale. Brilliant Directories. Brilliant Directories affiliate program was selected by Share a Sale, but now it works without a third party and with a good commission reached to 50%. And now, everyone can get approved immediately after signing up. I will log into my dashboard to show you referral links. Here is my Brilliant Directories affiliate program dashboard. I just got one unique click, and here is the link that I used for bringing customers. Brilliant Directories gives free 7 days trial for new customers. TubeBuddy is SEO YouTube tool which helps creators rank videos top. It's free to sign up, but also buying subscription is not expensive, which starts from $2.4 monthly. Inside of your TubeBuddy dashboard, you will get the link to refer customers for commission per sales which reach to 50%. The ninth and the last digital program that I currently prefer to use to grow my YouTube channel is vidIQ. vidIQ is an educational channel presented by Rob Wilson, and connecting this firmware tool give you SEO audit to analysis your channel. Also, vidIQ is also similar to TubeBuddy when it comes to affiliate marketing program. vidIQ commission reached to 25% referring customers to making a sale. So guys, I will put all those 9 digital programs links below in description for easily join up and start making money online. Make sure that I may get a commission if you make a purchase at no cost to you. Thank you for watching. Like if you see this video useful and subscribe for more videos.